Hello viewers, I am Bhikshamaya Chalakani, Assistant Professor of Physics from Government Degree College for Women, Nalgonda. I am going to explain the crystal structures in this lecture. NaCl crystal structure, cesium chloride crystal structure, diamond and zinc blende structures. Okay, we see one by one. NaCl crystal structure is a resultant of interpenetration of two FCC lattices along edge by half of the lattice parameter as shown below. Okay, here. So it is the interpenetration of two FCC lattices. Right. So here we are taking one type of lattice with green color, the another lattice with red color. Okay, the red dots are Na plus ions and this green one Cl minus. So if we take the one lattice, one face leftmost in this cube, in this total structure, so we are taking the leftmost face, so this one. So we assume the similar unit cell is coinciding with the earlier unit cell with green lattice. So if this face is displaced along x-axis, positive x-axis by half of the side length, a by 2. Okay, so here we get this one. So similar to this face, except it is in green and the displaced lattice is in red. Okay. We are seeing the same picture. So it is the face center point, the displaced face center point. Similarly, the bottom face is displaced along y direction by half of the distance, and we are getting similar structure here, just like this. And by displacing the front face by a distance, half of the distance in negative z direction, here we are seeing, so the same structure. So in that way, the total NaCl structure is present, we can understand in that way. So for if Cl minus ion is assumed at origin 0, 0, 0, then the corresponding Na plus ion exists with coordinates of 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So just like that. So if one totally we are getting this structure. So if it is the corner point 0, 0, 0, the corresponding Na plus is at this point. Okay, it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, just like that. And the other points are given here. Here we are seeing the other coordinates are given. So the lattice parameter A is related to the radius of the atom in the cell through this relation. From figure, so the to differentiate the atoms, the ions, we have given different colors, but they are almost same in size. Therefore, they touch along the edge. So these are the shortest ion. These are the shortest. That means they are located at shortest distance. This is only the shortest distance or nearest distance. Therefore, they touch along the edge. So its radiuses are, if we assume this one, so this one a little bigger and this one also little bigger, and totally three ions touch each other along the side. Then here to here R, here to R, and here it is R. Totally R plus 2R plus R, 4R. In terms of unit length, lattice vectors, it is the A, side length, A. So thus we are getting A is equal to 4R. From this relation, R is equal to A by 4, and the nearest neighbor is this one. The nearest one is this. For if we take any one lattice point as reference, the nearest one is this one along the side edge and middle of the edge. Therefore, this distance is A by 2, and there are such six ions, okay, along positive x-axis, positive y-axis, negative z-axis. Similarly, we can have three more in opposite directions. So 6 is the coordination number of opposite kind. Nearest neighbor distance is A by 2. Number of second neighbors is 12. The second neighbor is face centered point from this figure. So it is the first nearest neighbor, and the second nearest neighbor is just like this. Okay, we can see here. The second nearest neighbor is this one. Okay, this is the second nearest neighbor. So that is the face centered point. So for a particular lattice located at corner, the nearest face center points, there are such 12 points. 12 points. Therefore, so 12 second nearest neighbor distance is root 2 times A by 2, and the number of lattice points per unit cell is 4. The number of ions per unit cell is 8. That means the basis is 2. One, the basis is of two ions. One is Na plus ion and another one is Cl minus ion. Packing fraction, volume occupied by 8 atoms divided by volume of the unit cell. Therefore, it is the volume occupied by 8 atoms, 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube by a cube. So we get 52 percentage. And the white space or unfilled space is 48%. We get this as 100 minus 52 percentage. The number of lattice points per unit cell of any combined structure is same as that of individual structures. Actually, NaCl crystal structure is the combined structure of two FCC lattices. The number of lattice points per unit cell of FCC is 4. Similarly, here we are getting the 4 lattice points per unit cell and 8 ions per unit cell. The other crystals crystallized in this structure are lithium chloride, potassium chloride, lead sulfide. This one. Cesium chloride crystal structure. So it is the interpenetration of two simple cubic structures of cesium plus and Cl minus such that the vertex atom of Cl minus unit cell could form the body center of cesium plus unit cell. Okay. So it is the interpenetration of two simple cubic lattices uh, and corner atom of one unit cell is the body center atom of another unit cell. Okay. So if CS cesium plus is assumed at origin and corresponding Cl minus ion exists at 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, this one. Here we can see, so it is one cube and it is another cube and third cube, fourth cube. We are seeing four cubes on upper surface of the total structure and below these four cubes there are four more cubes. Okay, we can get the idea that there are eight cubes, four over another four. So the body center of this, at the body center of the cube there is one lattice point. For all eight cubes there are eight lattice points. So if the corners are cesium plus, these body centers are chlorine minus. Again, they are also forming one body-centered cubic structure, and the centered atom is this one. For this lattice, the center is again cesium plus, opposite kind of ion. Okay, so in that way the structure is formed. If we see this, so one cube is the unit cell. So that is the unit cell in which is in BCC form, body centered cubic. So the repetition of these can forms the remaining, the entire space. Okay, so we are seeing this. So corner red points, body centered point blue. In other crystal also same. Okay, therefore we can treat this as the unit cell. This small black, the small cube as the unit cell. So therefore we are taking this length as lattice vector A. So if cesium plus is okay, now in this case if the it is one unit cell, the total thing it is one unit cell 3D. So if cesium plus is at 0 and Cl minus is at 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So we can treat this one as 0 and this one as 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So the other materials which crystallize in this form are these elements, these compounds. Okay. So we see the relation between atomic radius r and lattice constant or lattice parameter A. Okay. So from this picture, the atoms touch along body diagonal. The atoms touch along body diagonal just like this. Okay. So so they touch along body diagonal. So the body diagonal length is root 3a. It is a, the total thing is root 3a, and root 3a is equal to 4r. Root 3a is equal to 4r. We are seeing. So here the relation is given here. From this, r is equal to root 3a by 4. coordination number of opposite kind of atoms are the nearest atoms, simply the nearest neighbors. So we are seeing here. So here to here the distance is a, and so here to here the distance is root to a, that is 1.4a, and from this point to this point half of the root 3a by 2, root 3a by 2, the total body diagonal length is root 3a, and this distance is root 3a by 2. That means root 3 value 1.732 by 2, 0.866. So this distance is 0.866a. So it is the shortest or nearest distance. So therefore, so there are, we have to identify how many such ions are there. So we can take the vice versa. If we take the reference point as this, at the same time we can switch our reference to this point also, as Bravais lattice looks same from wherever you see. So therefore, if it is our lattice point, reference lattice point, the lattice points which are at this distance 0.866a, there are 8 corner points for a body center point. There are 8 corner points. So in that way, the coordination number is 8. The coordination number is 8. And its nearest neighbor distance is root 3a by 2. Number of second nearest neighbors, that is coming the same type of atom we are getting. So it was the first nearest neighbor. The second nearest neighbor is this point. So along side the side length, which is at a distance a. Therefore, there is one atom along x direction, along y direction, and negative z. Similarly, here we are seeing three, and we can imagine three in opposite directions at the same distance. So total is 6. The number of second nearest neighbors is 6, and the distance is a. The number of lattice points per unit cell is 1, and the ions per unit cell is 2. Okay, that means one Na plus one cesium plus ion and one Cl minus ion, 2 total. The packing fraction 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, this is r cube divided by a cube. Okay, so that gives us 68 percentage. And if we calculate wide space, so that comes out to be 32 percentage. Now diamond structure, it is the interpenetration of two FCC lattices of carbon, and the interpenetration is along body diagonal by a distance of 1 by 4 of its length, 1 by 4 of its length. So that is the diamond structure. In that way it is formed. So we can see from this figure here. Now, okay, at first we assume that the two unit cells are coinciding with this unit cell drawn here, and one unit cell with red lattice and another unit cell with green lattice. Okay, so if we see these 2 points, and after that we are displacing the second unit cell along body diagonal by this length. So 1 by 4 of body diagonal length. This is the length. So whenever they are coinciding, there is one green point here and one more green point here, and it is a phase center point. It is a phase center point. So when we displace, translate along body diagonal, so the same two lattice points here. There are two lattice points just like this, and one phase center point just above it. It is the phase center point just above it. Similarly, so at this distance there is one phase center point. Similarly, for this it is the phase center point, and it is front phase center which is towards us, red lattice. Similar equivalent point is here. For this one, it is the edge bottom face center, and it is front face center. So in that way the structure is formed. So here I have shown in different colors. I have shown the lattice in different colors to identify how it is formed, and so how does it looks when we displace. So the total structure is within this unit cell only, and these 2 points, this point and this point is outside the unit cell. Okay, so actually these two are same. It is carbon atom and it is also carbon atom. So we should represent all lattice points in same color, but for understanding I have done this. Now it is the structure. So these 4 points, one, two, three, 4 points are inside the unit cell, and they formed tetrahedron. So these are the centers of tetrahedrons. So tetrahedrons. Okay. So if we see the nearest distance from a lattice to another lattice, so if we take this as corner and the distance is, so for this lattice point it is A, and it is 0.7a, 0.7a, actually root 2a by 2, from here to here root 2a by 2, therefore it comes around 0.7a, and this distance is 1 by 4 of body diagonal. This distance is 1 by 4 of body diagonal. This is given here, root 3 by 4, that means 1.73 732 by 4, we get this as 0.433. This distance is 0.433a. Therefore, it is the shortest distance. So then, so we have to identify the nearest neighbors. So we take this as reference. We see in all directions. So this is also same distance, same distance. So from this point, we are having 4 nearest neighbors. Therefore, the coordination number is 4, and its distance is this. So here we are seeing the relation between atomic radius and lattice constant. Along the body diagonal they touch, that means along the 1 by 4 within this distance the two ions or the two carbon atoms touch, so therefore that is equal to 2r. Okay, or we can see in figure also. So it is the lattice carbon atom and it is the carbon atom. These two atoms touch Therefore, 2r is equal to root 3a by 4. So this one. So its value this. From that, r is equal to total value. Now, number of lattice points per unit cell is 4. There are 4 tetrahedron centers inside the cube unit cell, and 8 corner points form one lattice point. 3 plus 1, sorry, totally 4. The number of atoms in the unit cell is 8. That means each lattice point consists a basis of 2 atoms. The volume occupied by the atoms is 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the packing fraction is the volume occupied by atoms divided by a cube. Here we get 32 percentage. The other materials in this structure: silicon, germanium, and gray tin. The tin at lower temperatures. The second nearest neighbor distance, third and fourth are given here. The second nearest neighbor distance is root 2a by 2. So zinc blende structure. If of the two atoms of base of diamond structure are different kind, then the structure is called zinc blende structure. So the base of diamond consists of two carbon atoms. So similar atoms. So if the atoms are different kind, the resulting structure is called zinc blende structure or zinc sulfide structure. Okay. Many of properties of zinc sulfide are similar to that of diamond structure. Since the structure is same, most of the properties are same as compared to the diamond structure, but some factors are varying. So that is packing fraction is greater than 0.34 depending on relative sizes of their component atoms. So in case of two carbons, they are similar in size, but whenever the different atoms we take, they may differ in sizes, and hence there is change in packing fraction. So other materials crystallize in this form: gallium arsenide, indium antimony, and copper chloride. Okay, these are the other materials in this structure. Right. So in this lecture, we have discussed about sodium chloride structure, cesium chloride structure, diamond structure, and zinc blende structures. Okay. In sodium chloride structure, so it is the combination of two FCC lattices, and they interpenetrated along the side by a distance half of the distance of side, and the number of lattice points per unit cell is 4, and the number of ions per unit cell of a sodium chloride structure is 8 ions. Okay. Mm, so that one, and the packing fraction is 52 percentage. The packing fraction is 52 percentage. So in case of cesium chloride, it is formed as a result of combination of two simple cubic structures. One corner atom of one unit cell is the body center atom of another unit cell. In that way, it is designed. Okay. So the number of lattice points per unit cell is 1, and the number of ions per unit cell is 2, and the nearest neighbors is 8. The coordination number is 8, and the nearest neighbor of second nearest neighbors is 6, and they are at a distance A in the first nearest neighbor distance is root 3a by 2. Okay. In diamond structure, so it is a combination of or interpenetration of two FCC lattices, and one lattice is displaced along body diagonal by a distance of 1 by 4 of length of body diagonal. Okay, the number of lattice points per unit cell is 4, and the number of atoms per unit cell is 8. The coordination number is 4. It is important. The coordination number of diamond structure is 4, and its distance is root 3a by 4, and its distance is root 3a by 4. So the zinc blende structure, so it is as same as the structure of diamond structure, except the basis differs. The basis of zinc blende structure consists two atoms, two different atoms, whereas the basis of diamond consists two same atoms, carbon atoms. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.